To take advantage of the efficiency that a 20mm worktop in combination with a track saw offers you, let me show you a way to do this. For this example, I'm using a markup to a 14-inch dimension, and going to line that up. Now, to repeat this easily and remember what this distance is, I'm going to use the TDS-10 Dog Stop. And lock in that spacing from the splinter guard to the end of the dog stop. So now we can make a cut. To derive the full benefit of an MFT 3 and 20mm style worktops, help yourself with the TDS-10 Dog Stop to bring fixture repeatability that beats pencil and tape measure every time. They're in stock at TSO. Go get yours now.